Sing, she's your queen to be. A queen to be. Sing, she's your queen to be. Me.
I am the other Eze, let that land. Wasn't expecting the crown, but here I am. Hand to hand with my lineage, my bloodline, my Igbo name. Eze Nwanyi, queen, and I had to claim. I didn't come in with a call, but I was called. Premonition in my chest before the curtain falls. Intelligence of the crowd, they watch their dead call. Something moved in me, and I stood in awe. She's your queen to be.
Queen to be.
I was just as surprised as you. Me, she's your queen to be.
Queen.
The crown was always mine, I just couldn't see. The veil did a 3P. Mama, great grandmama, nephew complete. A gift laid down at my feet. They opened the door, I didn't cheat. Don't use it, but I didn't lose it. It seeps through like water through seams. Unforgettable, unexplainable things. Eze Nwanyi before I knew what that means. I used to be for spirit. Spirit wanted to guide me. Something in the bloodline won't let me hide it. 3 calls in my family and I'm right beside it. Within 7 days, I pray that it will be okay. I don't always know who, I don't always know what. I just know something's coming and I can't make it stop.
Sometimes they leave, sometimes they stay, but it is a warning before that day.
I'm not sure what to do with it. Did my ancestors just want me to sit with it, sit with it, sit with it? Some say pray on it, intercede for the one you dream. But sometimes I keep my mind so loud so I don't hear what it means. I swear I just wanna get lit to forget, but the crow already saw it, and the veil already set.
Eze Nwanyi, daughter of the caul, queen to be.
She didn't ask for it, but she was chosen still.
Okay, so, a song about this. You finally put it into words.
Yeah, this one needed to come out differently. Some things don't fit in a script.
I've been waiting for this one, honestly. So let's start at the beginning. The opening line, sing she's your queen to be. Where did that come from?
Okay, so that is literally from Coming to America, the scene where they're presenting Imani to Akeem and everyone is singing. And I used it because that's genuinely how it felt when I started understanding who I was supposed to be in this. Like that surprised, slightly overwhelmed energy of someone going, wait, me? That's real. I was not walking around thinking I was chosen for anything.
But you were, though.
Apparently?
Let's talk about the caul, because a lot of people hearing this song might not know what that even is.
So a caul is when a baby is born with part of the amniotic sac still over their face. It's rare. And across basically every culture, African traditions, European folklore, Caribbean, Creole, a caul birth marks that child as having the sight, second sight, the ability to see beyond the physical.
And you weren't born with one.
No, but my mother was, my great-grandmother was, and my nephew was. So the caul did a 3-peat in my bloodline. That's not coincidence. That's a pattern.
So, what does that mean for you specifically, since you weren't caul born?
In a lot of these traditions, the caul born open the door. They're the ones who establish the channel in a bloodline. And others in the family receive the gift differently, through dreams, through feeling, through knowing. My version comes through dreams.
Tell me about the dreams.
They're not always dark. Sometimes they're just strange, unforgettable in a way normal dreams aren't. You wake up and it's stuck to you. And then within 7 days, something happens. Someone dies, or something shifts in a way that echoes what I saw.
Every time.
Not every dream. But when it's that kind of dream, I know the difference. There's a texture to it that's different from a regular dream. I can't fully explain it. It just lands differently in your body when you wake up.
That line about the crow really got me. Intelligence of the crow, caul. Break that down.
Okay, so crows hold funerals, actual documented behavior. When one of them dies, the others gather around the body and they stand there and watch. Scientists call it a crow funeral. And what they figured out is that the crows are converting that death into intelligence. They're reading the scene, memorizing the danger, and passing that warning to their children.
That is insane.
Right? So when I say intelligence of the crow, I'm not talking about Gothic symbolism or death omens. I'm saying I receive information. I witness something before it happens and I carry it. The crow does it after. I do it before. Same function, different timing.
That's actually a little scary.
Yeah, a little.
The most vulnerable line in the whole song for me was the last verse. I swear I just want to get lit to forget. That's real.
That's the most honest line I wrote, because there's a part of this gift that you can quiet if you just keep your mind loud enough. Stay busy enough. Don't meditate. Don't sit in silence. And yeah, sometimes the thought crosses your mind. What if I just didn't? What if I just stayed distracted enough that it can't get through?
But you can't really turn it off.
You can delay it. You can avoid developing it, but you can't undo what's in your blood. The crow already saw it. The veil already set. That's literally the last line of the song for a reason.
What do you want people to walk away feeling after they hear this?
I want people who carry something they didn't ask for to feel less alone in it, whether that's a spiritual gift or just a knowing that scares them. And I want people who come from lineages with these traditions to understand that it doesn't have to look like what their grandmother did. It can look like you. It can look like dreams and crows and a rap song you made at midnight.
Eze Nwanyi.
Eze Nwanyi.